heard from a partner, so we're just gonna walk north on the beach towards their place. See what we can find. Lots of crab holes this morning, and the water's nice and calm, so that's good for spotting fish.
The sun is just trying to peak. Not as good as what first. Beautiful.
We spotted a bonefish here, and then something else was getting chased here. There was a school of bait fish, and a bonefish was underneath them.
Really doesn't get any more beautiful than this, does it?
I'm gonna watch myself here. Someone said she spotted some tails down here. I'm gonna investigate. Oh, I think I see what you see. All right, just got up to Justin and his bud, and he just hooked into a permit as we're talking. We saw a couple of them going. They're off the beach today. They've been fine. They landed two, one small one, and one other bigger one, and a bone. So he's got a chance at a slam today if he can find a tarpon. If we go over to the look for some ditch poons.
Not want to be caught.
All right, well done.
Thank you, sir.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Oh. I'm sorry, bro.
You guys got lost.
Oh,
We got a bone, another bone.
What the hell? Oh my God! Yes! Number 5! Number
Holy
5!
What a day.
Whoa, bro, look at this. He is so smart, guys. He's kicked my ass through docks, through.
I saw you go through the docks over there.
He has worked me so hard, man. This fish has been here a minute, knows every rock. He's gonna try to run me again on this thing.
That's awesome.
Oh, what a fish. Please let me get this guy. He's been on a while now, and I'm telling you, one last one he's gonna give me. He almost pulled me too.
Oh man. I'm gonna take your. Here, I got it. Okay.
Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Oh man, what a beauty. Sunny side of town here.
Yeah, come on over this side. Oh my gosh.
Beauty.
Oh man, I've been waiting for a long time for this one, guys. I've been working hard here in Yucatan trying to find a real one. And I think I just got it. I think we just found a real one.
Messed enough last week with some nice ones?
We did. Brent and I definitely had a beautiful day the other week going for him, and it was about time that we made it work out good today. Oh, that fly popped right out. All right, guys. Well, I don't want to keep him too long.
Okay,
So can we get a couple photographs real quick?
Yes, please.
Yep. You all ready?
I'm ready.
Yes! That is awesome!
Huge.
What a gorgeous girl!
Haha. Okay, tail, they're excited, eh?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, man. Alright guys, well, here in Yucatan with my guys, we finally found my personal best one out here. This is actually number 5 for me today, so that's awesome. It's fantastic. We're gonna send this girl home. We don't want to keep her too long. It's kind of hot around here, so we're gonna send her home. Thank you so much, big girl. Oh, what a yes! Yes!
A little heavier, whatever it is. Ah, it's just a bone. I didn't see him, he had weeds all over him.
Nice fish. Look at those colors, man.
He's quite ready, but he is ready. The water's pretty hot.
Yeah, it's hot. You'll have to take him out. Oh.
Hang on.
Wow, what a fish. What a fish. You want a picture?
Yeah, just a little up close. I'll just take it.
What a beautiful fish.
Oh, let it show up there. He's going. Should be alright. But falling for a bit.
He's good. Nice job.
Alrighty. Yeah. What do we got? Cuda or milkfish? Jumping. Whatever it is, this is a milk. Oh, not a milk, I mean a ladyfish. Ladyfish, you're not milkfish. Loser. Nice. She's a lady. There's another one. There's another one with it. Wonderful. First one of these guys. Fighters. No wonder guys like catching these little buggers. What do you got there? Look at that. Ooh. Beauty. Beauty. Look at that. That is just spectacular. I don't know how long that is. It's just a beauty. Good fighter too. I'd catch him all day. Another first. Awesome stuff. Oh, a ladyfish. Holy, catch one and then catch another. And catch a bird. And dog snapper. This guy's gonna light me up, but it's not as big as the other one. Thanks, Justin, for that fly. Had nothing but action since I got onto this. Look at that! Oh, a wound on the back there. Oh, crab fly. Apparently they like crabs. Thank you, lady. And away she goes. Alright, so Justin and the crew were going to come out and do some spear fishing, so I thought I'd come out and join him with the snorkel gear and see what it's all about. But I don't see him out here, but they went in and had a bite to eat, so they might actually be back in already. I don't know, can't see. A little bit choppy, a little breezy out here, but it's shallow. It's only like 3-4 feet deep out here. So getting into the coral heads. Sure was murky coming out here, but just run on the old mask and give her a whirl.
It's very cool with it.
Oh, that was tiring. It's extremely fun. Good, just the one lobster, several misses from the boys each there, but I got a little lobster tasty thing for supper, so that's good. But I definitely will be getting some spearfishing gun. I think I'll just get the big pole gun. And yeah, need practice on the trail.
You ready, buddy? We're fishing buddy Brent and Giovanni. And we're about to go bush hogging. You ready?
Let's do it. Breaking out. Oh, look at that, eh? Sure those aren't Crocs rolling instead? Adventure Giovanni? Excellent. Me too. I like something you can sink your teeth into instead of just...
Oh yeah, you like adventure. Alright guys, so we're looking for bubbles. We're looking for fish dolphining, nervous water.
Yeah.
Anything that looks fishy, throw to it. Alright? Once the fly hits the water, give it about a 3-second, 4-second count, and then tick, 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 tick. That should kind of be the deal.
Beautiful morning. Kind of lost. There we go. He's a little out of my range. I think he's going the other way.
Try another shot on it.
Got one showing himself. Oh, there he is again. I see that. I think we do. Definitely. So we cut across and fish this edge here and back to the corner because the boys don't have a lot of time. Short shift, they gotta be out of here by 9:30, so we don't want to have to spend too much time paddling. Second hookup, we were just talking about not getting it on video.
Right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Nice. That was like the last cast. He just told Giovanni was just pushing through. That's funny. Now I'm on.
Alright.
I'm way far back, but okay. Nice little guy. There he goes. Awesome stuff. Thank you, Mr. Mangrove.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap. Got to hit a couple lips today, but that was it. Good day still. Beautiful morning. And there they are teasing me. All right in here. Look at that. No buggers, but hey, they're tarpon.